Hello, Electric Jack here again, and today we're going to talk about paint protection film, specifically on the Tesla. And I actually went and got that done 2 days ago, and I'll give you a tour of it and how it's working and some of the prices, at least local in my area. And so let's get to it. So a couple days ago, I was talking to my friend Mo, who has had a Tesla for a lot longer than I have, and he puts paint protection film all over his car. I mean, it's fully protected. So what is paint protection film? It is a clear film, as you can see, which I had done on mine. And I don't know if you can see, but there's a line right here. Now, I couldn't afford to do the whole car, so I did partial hood, the entire front bumper, and up through the sides here. You can see the line right there. And the mirrors, let's see if we can see a line here. Did a really good job on that. And of course, I also had it done on the glass part of it, the plastic, the headlights and the turn signal for fog lights down here. I did that because, like most cars, electric or not, most of the damage is going to happen in the front from rocks, chips, bugs, and whatnot. Of course, when I brought it in, I thought I didn't have any problems with it. I didn't have any nicks or anything, which was good, even though I have about 1,200 miles on it already after 1 month. He said I must have did a good job protecting it, and I do clean it off every time I bring it into the garage. Now here's my 2010 Prius. No paint protection film on it. Not bad. But you will see anything that's dark, like this, went right through the paint. You'll see a lot of, like, there's one. This is mostly dirt, but a lot of little pings on it over the years. There's a nice big scratch there from probably something. Um, Not bad, but if you're a stickler for paint, I like to keep the cars as pristine as possible. Because it does help resale. And by the way, someone will be buying this car. Yeah, this one actually went all the way through. Probably could buff it out, but maybe not. And if you take a look at my other Prius that I am keeping for a bit, this is a 2015 Prius. Again, you'll see no paint protection film. If you can see, yeah, that's definitely went right through the paint. Another one up there. There's a few that went through the paint. And again, you can see on the light, there's a scratch right here. No way to get that out. I mean, there is, you could rebuff it and try to add another coat on it. I mean, I've done that before. It's never quite the same. But they did a pretty good job wrapping it. They did it under the hood, the front, and the only line you'll see, because it's not all the way up, is there. That goes complete. It would be like over $2,000 if I wanted to do the whole hood and the entire side panel here on each side. Decided not to do that because, again, most of the problems happen in the front. So thanks for watching, and this is Electric Jack again. Make sure you subscribe and like the video. That definitely helps a lot. If you're in the market for a Tesla, try to remember to use my referral code so we both get points for supercharging. And recently, Tesla will give you some money off when you buy your new Tesla if you use a referral code from someone else. So hope this helps. Have any questions? Let me know.